Guys and Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making air fryer Tangdi Kebab. It's super delicious and really easy to make. There are 2 marinades for this. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. To make Tangdi Kebab, we need 8 chicken drumsticks, and for the first marinade, we need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and some salt. Before marinating, we are going to make some gashes on the chicken. This is done so that the marinade reaches deep inside the meat. Do this for all the drumstick pieces. The 2 marinations are same irrespective of how you cook the kebab, be it in an oven, air fryer or on a stovetop. Now let's add the ingredients for the first marination. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, about a tablespoon of lemon juice and some salt. Now mix everything well. Keep aside for about 15 to 30 minutes. It's now time for the second marination. We have got all the ingredients for the first marinade, followed by 3/4 cup of hung curd, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of amchur or dry mango powder and 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's add the ingredients now. I'm taking about 3/4 cup of hung curd. We can make hung curd at home by straining 1½ cup of regular curd for about an hour. Let's add the rest of the ingredients. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, amchur powder and the ingredients of the first marinade. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and some more salt. We are adding about 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use mustard oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Now marinate well. Take your time and make sure that the marinade is applied on all the pieces. Cover and refrigerate for about 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Now preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. Once ready, place the marinated chicken inside the basket. Do not overcrowd. I have cooked the kebabs in 2 batches of 4 each. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and cook for about 15 minutes. Please note that the time may vary a little based on the air fryer that you use and the size of the drumsticks. After about 10 minutes, take out the basket and flip the pieces. Cook again for about 5 minutes. That's it, Tangdi Kebab is ready. Serve with Pudina or Mint Chutney, lemon wedges and onion rings. For a detailed printable version of the recipe, click the link on the description box below. If you like this video, please show your appreciation by subscribing to this channel. Bye bye and I'll see you soon.